Hello guys, how are you? I'm here in aslpey, north side of Brisbane. I was trying to feed the black turkey. They are the locals here and they start fighting. Oh my god. Look at them. Oh my god. They start fighting. They're all really hungry, so I have bread. So I'm start giving them. Look at that. Ooh, there. Let them now. There's that. Oh, you see this? Just when I throw the bread, you just catch that very quick. Oh my God, look at them. Ooh, I'm kind of happy to see them eating like this. Oh, wow, wow, wow. No, no, don't bite, don't bite. Just eat. Come on, come on. Look at this. You can see here different kind of birds, especially the kookaburra. Look at that. Hmm. Happy eating. Okay, we'll get some bread again. Let's see if they can eat. Hopefully they, because this one is quite a lot of food there, but then he's trying to fight with the rest of the. Come on, come on, come here. Here. Ups and then start running to chase the other one again. Okay, come on, grab it, come on. Oh wow. No. By the way, this is the park as well behind the unit where we are staying now. It's a big park and it's going just very close to the shopping center, Aspley Hypermarket. We just walking on the other side, and then maybe 3 minutes we are in the shopping center. So it's really close place. And over there is a creek, but I don't want to go a bit farther, so I'm just staying here trying to feed this um annoying this annoying turkey. Seems like he wants to eat everything, so the rest is running now. It's just really annoying. Yeah, so this is Aspley and located at north side of Brisbane. Okay, let's try to keep there a bit closer there if they can grab it, because this one is annoying. So oops, you see that? Oh, start eating that. There. Bit scared to that black turkey. So this is the black turkey. That's the black turkey. You find that here, a lot of black turkey here. And then that tree is full of bird all the time. Okay. Okay, here, grab that. Here. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. Anyway, guys, bye bye. Oh, they start chasing each other. Bye bye. Thank you.